Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Warn your users of a dangerous action with btn-danger. Bootstrap comes with several predefined colors for buttons. The btn-danger class is the button color you will usually use to notify users that the button performs a destructive action such as deleting a cat photo. Create a button with the text delete and give it the class btn-danger. Note that these buttons will need the btn and btn block classes. So again, one more button the class equal to btn block btn-danger button. Okay, and the text will be delete. Let's run the test, download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.